great prophets such as Dawood and Sulayman alayhim salam were not mentioned in the Prophet ﷺ's ascension to heaven. How do we understand what level in paradise they are in?
Allahu A'lam, how it is their level, but the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, he had met the following prophets. He had met Adam alayhi salam, he had met as well Yahya and Isa alayhi salam, and he met as well Harun alayhi salam, and he met as well he met Ibrahim alayhi salam, he met Musa alayhi salam, he met Yusuf alayhi salam, and he met Idris alayhi salam. And it doesn't mean that Idris is better than Dawood, for verily there are here prophets which are not from Ulul Azm, not being mentioned. Nuh alayhi salam was not mentioned, and Nuh is from the 5 mighty prophets. The mighty prophets are Nuh and Ibrahim and Musa and Isa and Muhammad, may peace and blessings be upon all of them. Those are the 5 prophets. Yet Nuh is not there. Yes, we have Musa and we have Isa and we have Ibrahim, but we don't have Nuh. Nuh is better than Idris alayhi salam. But لا نفرق بين أحد بالرسل. We do not distinguish in our belief to any of these prophets. Wallahu a'lam. Na'am. Allahu a'lam where he is. Dawood alayhi salam. Na'am. And by the way, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he had led them in the prayer in Bayt al-Maqdis, in Masjid al-Aqsa.